mouth. Open.
He likes it. He likes it.
Maingay ba si Daddy? You cannot sleep kasi maingay? Sleep na. Open mouth. Open.
He likes it. He likes it.
One more.
Two more, two more. He loves it. He loves it. I know. I know, I know. He loves it. I know, I know. You like it. Don't pretend. I know you love it. Smile. Ah, smile. He loves it. This one you will love it. I know. Don't pretend.
Ay, open niya. Open.
I know.
Siguro nakilalabas yan yung dila niya.
You will love it. Don't pretend. Don't pretend. Don't pretend that you don't like it. I know. I know. I know. I know you love it. He loves it.
Good. Open tayo. This is up. This is up.
Sunbathing.
Swami. Look at that. Alright, pwede. Lipstick. What are you doing? Dumaw to Daddy. Shut up ba? Maingay ba si Daddy? Maingay ba si Daddy?
Tsaka ko mo ha?
Daddy, shut up kasi. Na. Maingay ba si Daddy? You cannot sleep kasi maingay? Maingay si Daddy kaya you cannot sleep, no? Dapat singilan na maingay. Again, you cover the mouth of Daddy. Paano mag-cover mouth Daddy? You cover again. Cover again. Cover the mouth of Daddy again. You cover. Nalina, go ahead. You cover.
Happy nga.
You cover the mouth of Daddy na.
Kiss mo ko lips.
Toinks. Do you want to sleep na? Sleep na again, no? Noisy si Daddy, no? Noisy si Daddy, no? Kaya ka nagising, no?
Hindi ka ba makatulog na walang manguya?
Wow, sweet ka naman. Ang sexy. Ang sweet ka naman. Papa. Say hi. Say hi. Ay, suplado ah. Hi.